What's up, Team T, baby? Hey, y'all like that one today? It was a little bit extra because your girl has had too much matcha today, but that's okay. Alright, let me slow my roll a little bit. So, like I always say, don't mind the crazy hair. When I get out of the shower, this is the look y'all get. The lion look, the crazy look. Let me put this camera a little bit. Okay, so not only have I drank a lot of matcha today, I mean it was a serving size, but maybe a little bit over my serving size. But anyways, I'm going to be making matcha protein donuts. So whenever I bake stuff, I like to have my stuff have benefits to it. I don't just like to really bake and just put, like, you know, flour, sugar, and like, I mean, yes, I am all about healthy and I am vegan, but I like to add things to my recipes that are gonna make the recipe, especially if it's a dessert, have some kind of nutritional value and flavor. So I'm going to be making the frosting vegan protein frosting, so that has protein in it. I'm going to be using almond flour, which has protein in it, stevia, which is 0-calorie sugar. I'm going to also, let's see, chia seeds, which is protein and has omega-3 fatty acids, which is 2 tablespoons are recommended a day, and it also helps you flush out your system. So I'm putting in chia seeds as my chia eggs, since we don't use eggs around here. Those are friends, don't eat your friends. And a bunch of other good stuff you guys will see. But this recipe is so easy, so simple, and I'm using my favorite matcha from the Matcha Reserve. I've done, I think, like 3 recipes already from them because I got a boatload of stuff from them, and I drink their matcha like every day, and this is what happens to me. Like, I have to slow my roll sometimes because it gets me going. There's so many benefits to matcha, which I've already said this a million times, so I won't bore you, but it helps you focus. So I like to drink it before I start baking or cooking or working or editing or anything, because I really focus, and like, even I'll get like these comfortable stares and I have to like snap out of it, because like it gives you energy and it helps you focus, and it's so good for you. Like I told you before, it's a natural fat burner and antioxidants, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with matcha. I just can't get enough. So I'll probably be making a lot of matcha recipes because I have a lot of matcha and I have a high obsession with matcha. So anyways, we will be doing matcha vegan, gluten-free, what, donuts? Oh my gosh, there's so many benefits to this donut. Okay, but I won't talk too much because right now I can just go on and on and on for days, since I've had, sorry you guys, I'm playing with my hair right now because it's just a little fluffy from the shower. I had a lot of matcha, no, I already said that. Do you see what's happening? Okay, I'm going to be making matcha donuts for you guys, and then the other thing is I wore this shirt the other day when I think I was cooking or baking, and people were asking me about it, so I'm going to leave the link for this shirt in the description below, and I made sure to wash it so I can wear it again for today's video. And I want to try and wear my vegan shirts, like yesterday I had the plant-based babe one on, when I'm baking vegan desserts. I think it'd be like, okay y'all, this is vegan, like wearing the vegan clothes. So I have a few, so I'll try and, like, I don't want to wear the same thing every video, like that's weird, but I hardly even wear the same clothes all the time. So I will definitely, I want to try and do that, but most likely it'll only be a few times. And so those that were asking about my plant-based and vegan shirts, I'll put the link down below. And guess what, it happens to be one of my sponsors, so they don't know I'm making this video, but I will put my discount code down below. So if you want to get some vegan gear, they also have like leggings and other stuff, you can get a discount from your girl, get you a discount. It's Tariana15, and I'll put it down below. So I should probably be done talking now, because you guys are probably like, oh my god, can we just do this recipe already? Like, you both were having matcha donuts. Can you just give us the recipe? So let's start this recipe. Oh, and one more thing. When I bake, as you guys know, I like to just bake and do my own thing. Like this is my own recipe I just made up. So I do a voiceover because it seemed that you guys liked that yesterday and it helps you. So be prepared. Let's roll. Okay, here we go again. So in your bowl, we are going to start with 1 cup of almond flour. Now this one is not with blanched almonds. This one is like the whole almond. That's why there's like brown and white in it. And you're going to put all your dry ingredients first. So we're putting our almond flour. Then I'm using 6 packets of stevia. You can use any sweetener of your choice, but I just happen to really like stevia. So I threw in 6 packets there, which made these very sweet, but not too sweet. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Like I said yesterday, I love pink Himalayan sea salt. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing there. That might be my thinking belly rub. And then we need to prepare our chia eggs. So since we are vegan, we use chia eggs. So what I do is I put 2 tablespoons in a little bowl, and then all you do is you add your milk, and I'm using almond milk, so any milk that you like. And I just eye the milk. So I just put it like right until it's like kind of overflowing, the chia seeds, and you stir it really good so they're all coated with milk, and then that's how it forms like a pudding, like when they make chia seed pudding. But this is also my chia eggs. So all you need is 2 tablespoons. Now, here we go. This is the matcha. This is the baking matcha, but this stuff has me wired. So maybe this is why I added, what, 4? I think I added 4, but like I add big scoops, which, yeah, just keep these in the daytime. Don't eat these at nighttime. So then whisk all your dry ingredients together, and the music gets to me again. Mix all your dry ingredients together first until everything is fully mixed. It's like a green powder now. You really want to make sure that you get everything thoroughly mixed. And then we're going to be using pure vanilla. Oh, don't you guys like my nails, by the way? I just got them redone today. It was definitely about time. It was over 2 weeks. And my nail lady always hooks it up. Anyways, okay, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then pour in your chia eggs. And make sure once you stir this that you separate all these chia eggs, because you don't want too many clumps of chia eggs in your batter. And then we're going to put in about another 1/2 cup of almond milk in the actual batter itself and stir this bad boy up. Like I said, make sure you really stirring like that. You gotta dance while you cook, okay? If you're not dancing, then drink more matcha. That's my advice to you. And I forgot, preheat your oven at 350 and always taste your batter, because you need to make sure before you put it in the oven that it tastes good. And then I ended up adding another little pinch of salt just to offset the sweet and salty. And then my donut pan I have here. I did let you guys know before where I got this one. I think it was TJ Maxx, but you can get them online, or you can get them, a lot of stores have them now, like even I've seen it, I think, at Vaughn's before. But if you don't have this, you can use a cupcake tin and just put a piece of tin foil in the middle. I recommend getting a donut pan because you can make so many really, really good donuts. And then these go in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Just check it and stick it with a toothpick. Now, my protein frosting. So this is optional. If you don't have vegan protein or you don't want to use vegan protein, you can do your own frosting. But I add in 1 scoop of plant-based protein. And then I just add in enough almond milk to make it like a thick frosting. And you just kind of have to eye it. So you just stir it. If it's too thick, you know, you add in some more and whatnot. Mine was a little bit too dry, so I had to add in some more almond milk. And this made the donuts taste so good because it was like a sweet, I don't know, it was so good. Sweet protein frosting on top of a matcha donut. You guys, come on, let's make these donuts together. So I hope you're making donuts right now while you're watching this video, by the way. Yeah, so then what I do next, I just kept stirring this thing until it was a nice pasty frosting before we frosted our donuts. And these cooked so fast, like they came out perfectly. I was so happy. And then you turn them over and bada bing, bada boom. And then you frost your donuts all over. And yeah, I will see you guys on the taste test. You guys, now it's time for the taste test. Time for the taste test, the best part of it all, the moment you're waiting for. Oh, another thing that I've seen on all over YouTube, I think it's pretty funny, it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't usually personally like eat my whole meal in front of you guys because I'm just, when I'm hangry, I want to cook, I want to eat, and I want to go eat. But when I do recipes, I usually always do the taste test for you guys because you can really see the reaction on either my face or whoever I'm cooking for. When I forget to do it, I don't like that because I like so you guys can actually see if it tastes bad. I'm going to let you know, but I'm not trying to be cocky, but none of my recipes taste bad. So, I haven't had a bad one in a long time. I've had some bad desserts, like, in the past that I really was like, okay, I'm never making that again. Like, scratch that off the list. But here's the taste test for this. And now I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm really full because I had lunch. Sometimes it helps when you bake before, after you eat lunch, so you don't eat your whole batch that you just made because you're hungry. So I stuffed myself before, but I still am going to do it for y'all. Oh my god. Holy shit. These things are so good. And I just realized that I did not finish telling you what I was going to tell you about the thing I saw over the internet that people eat their whole meal. It's called mukbang or mukbang. Have you guys seen that? Let me know in the comments if you've seen it. I guess it's like mukbang or mukbang gang, some shit like that. I have to look it up. And they eat their whole meal in front of the camera and like just talk. So basically they have like a discussion, or like maybe I'll do a Q&A and I'll do it that way because you guys have been asking me to do a Q&A, and they just talk to the camera while they're eating their whole meal. And you turn the volume all the way up or something, and then you can like hear all the sounds like that the meal makes. So I'm just like, that's so interesting to me that people really enjoy watching that. Like, I mean, I like to see people, when I watch cooking videos, their taste test, because you can really see like when someone tries it in front of you, if that was good or they're lying. Like, don't waste your time making the recipe. I'm not lying, you guys. I'm really happy. This shit came out fire. There's one word that I hate. Like, oh my god, I got some in my hair. See, I'm a mess. I just washed my hair. There's one word that I hate, and I'm not gonna say it. I don't know if anyone else hates this word. It starts with an M and ends with a T. But that's how these donuts taste right now. Maybe I'll write the word right here for you, but I don't like to say it. It's such a gross sounding word. I don't know what my problem is. I just don't like it. But yeah, these are amazing. I'm so happy. Holy moly. And I will put the link for the matcha down below too, because my last video when I made, what did I make? This shit finger looking good. I made, okay, let me stop. I made matcha something with my vanilla matcha that I got from them. And someone asked me, please let me know where you got the matcha from, a market or something. I always put the links in the video because I want to share with you guys what I'm getting, especially if I'm cooking with it or if it's an outfit or anything. So these links will be down below. Now, that is all I have for you today. I'm done talking because this matcha has me rolling. I'm going to go do some things that I got to do, and I hope that you guys try this recipe, and I will see you all on my next video. And I love every single one of you, and thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these recipes so I know to keep on doing these recipes, and comment. And if you're new to my channel watching this, subscribe to Team T Baby. I love you all.